What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel, Kelly Builds, and today I have a super exciting video. I'm so stoked to share it with you guys. As you know, the 32 has been kind of on the back burner only because we were talking about sponsorship and collaborating, and we're officially working with Speedway. And my kids are right there. But yeah, that is the news. Travis, are you excited? So now that we have that, the Roadster is ready to go. We're gonna be cranking on that. Unfortunately, the coupe is gonna just take a little break. Travis is having a heck of a time with that. So anyway, I am gonna do a little unboxing for you guys. If I sound a little congested, it's because I've been having really bad allergies for 2 weeks, but we got this in the mail yesterday, and obviously the boxes need to be opened. So let's get into it.
Okay, first box. What do you think it is, Kel?
I don't know. It's heavy. So, I mean, I feel like everything's probably going to be a little bit heavy, honestly.
Yeah, car-related stuff.
Whoa, bunch of smalls.
Oh, yeah, bunch of smalls.
I don't know if I want to actually take any of this out.
Huh.
It's organized really well.
Oh, this is all like the...
Cancer and reproductive harm.
That's what's on everything.
California.
Feedback
I'm pregnant. Side note, if you didn't know I was pregnant, if I start looking a little large, don't make fun of me. It's because I'm pregnant. Travis didn't want me to tell people, and then people to be like, why is she so big? And then be like, she's pregnant.
Oh, take those off. Valve covers.
Where's the dog?
Outside. Check these valve covers out. Open them up, Kel. Box don't fall. Look at those things. Are they sweet?
Yes. Well, it's actually Mama's, but we're gonna all share it.
Yeah.
Watch out! Mommy has a razor.
What's a razor?
Cut you.
What's this one? What's this one?
What is it, buddy?
What's in it? A t-shirt. Oh, wow.
What's that? On the front box?
Let's see what's in it.
I
Hubcaps.
can't.
Let's see
Oh,
what's
sweet.
in it.
Hubcaps.
Let's see what's in it. Good one.
Hold on. Get your fingers out of the way.
Whoa!
It's like Christmas, huh, guys?
Those are Christmas stuff. Look, who gave us these stuff?
What the?
I know.
Yep. Okay.
What the?
Ford Deluxe.
Whoa! Yeah!
Let's see, what's this? This is heavy.
Yeah, these are the ram horns.
Ram horns.
We can probably do this.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, what's in it?
Hold on, hold on.
Whoa!
Touch your fingers.
The knife is close. These
Yeah!
are ram horn style exhaust manifolds for the Y-block.
Can I have this one? Can I take this one?
They're really cool.
Can I take
Small blocks had these, and I don't think Y-blocks came with these, but they make them for the Y-block, and it's really rad. Gives an old school look to them, so that's gonna be awesome.
There's something down there.
Yep, leave it all there.
Yep,
Is that
leaving it all in there.
I did it.
What
I
You're okay.
did it.
Oh yeah, this.
Whoa.
Be careful, buddy.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, put that back, please. Put that back. Let's open up all the gaskets. It's okay. Yeah, watch your fingers. Calm down, guys.
Oopsie. Mommy's not good with this kind of stuff, honestly.
Yeah.
Yeah, watch your
Looks like
phalanges.
breaks.
Can I hold one? Can I have that one?
Look at that.
I'll hold one.
What is this?
Brake lines, fuel lines.
Isn't that funny?
Oh, there it is. Okay, that's what I'm looking for.
One for me.
Nope.
What's that?
Put it in here, baby.
What's it say on there?
I'll do it.
Is that our dog's birthday?
Link.
No, get
Tie
it
rod
right
link.
here. Yeah, what a tough. Yeah. Whoa, what?
Yes.
Exactly.
You want your fingers intact, buddy.
How much does mommy love you?
Oh my God.
Ever. Me and you are best friends.
That's right. And go, baby.
Yeah. Yes. Whoa. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, a bunch of fuel line pieces, brake line pieces.
Another same one.
Another
That
same one.
What is it?
Something.
Lowest shock mounts. Chrome.
Yeah. Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
Oh.
I don't know how to open this. Should I
What do we
save it
got?
in
Oh, we
here?
can just see.
Whoa.
Oh yeah.
We'll see what's in here.
Okay. Powermaster generator. That's the main thing in this box. What do we got here? Lowest
Yeah.
shock mounts and.
Yeah.
Hold on.
Yeah.
Tail light lens. Okay. All right, bud. We'll check that out later. Want to do the big one?
Yeah.
Hold on. Razor.
Mom, I'll help you.
Right down here.
You do that and I do this end.
I don't know how good that is.
Mom.
Oh, I didn't realize it was right there.
That's why I'm so what are you doing?
Yeah.
Not
I
that.
like those.
Yeah, but I don't want you to lose your fingers.
Stand it up.
Help me.
Whoa, this one's fantastic.
It's
What? That's fantastic.
Yeah, this one.
Let's see what this is, guys.
Going down the one.
I think I know what it is from the box.
What's in the box? Give me it!
What? Box in a box.
I'm gonna take the camera and you pull that out because it's obviously
Go!
a heavy thing.
Stop! Give me! Yeah!
I can use this for vacuum material. Pull the box that way. Pull the box that way. Grab that back. Grab the end and pull it. There you go.
Wow! Yeah, this one. Wow! Let's open it! Hey, maybe we can buddy wrap. I think I'm gonna win it. Whoa! Wow!
There it is.
It's come over here a little closer. Two little boys.
Yeah, so it's gonna go behind the seat because we had to bob the frame a little bit. So
This one
it's
inside
gonna
the
go
box.
behind it.
Dad, this is a peekaboo. Look, this is a hide box. I might
Okay.
use it as a hide box.
Okay.
Go hide.
Wow! This is crazy.
Hey. Relax.
Crazy box. Your turn.
Thank God I know a guy.
Exhaust.
Okay.
You have to weld all this, obviously.
Yeah.
You have to weld all this.
Yep. That's where all the V-band clamps are gonna come in handy. Yep. Dual exhaust. Right out the back.
All right, guys, so this is what we're working with now. It's obviously, I mean, the kids have their play box at the moment. I think this, yeah, empty, had the tank in it. This,
Small.
that, yeah, tons of smalls in there.
Yeah.
We're gonna need to put them to bed to like lay everything out and go through everything. So this is what it's gonna look like for now.
My turn.
A little chaos. We're gonna put the kids to bed and I will check back in with you guys in a second.